It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee, and welcome to another episode of Affordable Friday. So Affordable Friday is like a series that I started on my channel where all the wigs that I feature is gonna be 25 and below, cause we need to slay on a budget, okay? So to this wig that you see that I'm rocking, I have it in a little low bun. It's the Sensational Lee unit, and it's the lace 9 in the color T4 Ash Blonde. Like, one thing I like about the Lee unit, they're very like easy to manage. You know, you just put it on and go, and they're very like I said, easy to manage, and you don't have to do a lot of styling to it. You don't have to manipulate it a lot. It's just a, like they said, fast fashion meets hair. You just plop it on and go. And this one, it comes with a center part. Like, I love the curls on it. Like, it is, this is the lace. It is ear, well, it's ear to ear. Like, I just put it up. It is ear to ear. Like, it has, what am I doing? Okay, don't look at that. I didn't glue it down, so, but it is ear to ear, and it has baby hair for those of you, who like to, you know, put your baby hair down. You can put it down. So I just have it in this low bun, but you can find this hair on majority of the wig site, like online beauty shop. Why can I talk today? But this unit, you can find it on Wig Types for $22.94. It's very affordable, and I get all my wigs from Wig Types. So Wig Types, if you want to hit me up, please hit your girl up, okay? But let me take it down. Let me just turn around so you can see what it looks like in a bun. This is it in a bun, you know. It looks cute. I like it like this. Like, I don't even want to take it down. And I got, you know when you get hair, okay. But I'm gonna take it down so you can see it in all its glory. Okay, so this hair is like got the little spiral curls, like a loose curls going on, and this is the center. Like, this is the parting space. I didn't do anything to it, and for the cap construction, it comes with your standard cap construction. So 2 combs on the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And I love the color. Like, the color is nice, but this unit, like, I wouldn't like run my hands through it because it's a curly unit. But as I run my hands through it, it's like tangling. It's like my hand is getting stuck in there. Probably because it's a curly unit. I'm not sure, but maybe that's just the excuse I'm giving it. But, and it's really long. Like, look at where it stops me. And it sheds. It sheds. Like, look at all of that. It sheds. which I guess is expected of synthetic units, but I mean, it still sucks that it sheds. And as time goes by, if you end up purchasing this unit, you have to like cut the little snags and stuff. Like the ends are definitely gonna like starts to get rough and stuff, so you have to like cut it. And why not? I want to cut it, but I'm not. Like I am really tempted to cut it into like so it can stop me like somewhere right there, but I'm not yeah, I'm not gonna cut it, but I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what a unit looks like all around. This is it in the front. This is the side. And this is the back. Oh, you can see. Yeah, I got on PJ pants. I'm gonna sit my behind back there, but this is the side. And this is it. This is all of the hair. And like the dark root, I like the dark root. It is, you can see it. It is going throughout the unit. So when the wind blows, yeah, what's up? But this is it for Dashley Lace Unit 9. So let's talk about it. What do you guys think? Like, give me your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're seeing this video up until this end, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down hashtag crowned so I can know you watch it through the whole, like you watch the whole video. So if you reach this far, hashtag crowned. Okay, all right, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.